GeneratorPowerSource.com here for a real-world runtime test of parallel generators. We just finished testing the Westinghouse iGen 2500, which is roughly the same size as these, but obviously it's putting out 2500 watts, and it did in fact pull our 15,000 BTU air conditioner, but we only got 6 hours of runtime. So we want to see if we can get roughly the same power, in fact a little bit more, and almost double the runtime. So in front of me I have the Westinghouse iGen 2200, and I have the iGen 2000, and we have a parallel cord coming to the middle. We are going to fill these generators up to the brim with gasoline, crank them up, and we are living in our travel trailer. Behind me I have our Grand Design Imagine 2670 MK. This is a 26.5 foot travel trailer, 31 foot overall. We have a 15,000 BTU air conditioner, TV, radio, microwave, electric fireplace, electric hot water heater that will be running. So we are going to be treating this test as if we're living in this. We actually are living in our travel trailer right now, so you'll get an idea of what it is day to day. How long can you run on a full tank of gas? What can you power? All these good things. So we're going to go ahead and fill these up, and then we'll take you on the inside of the travel trailer and show you exactly what we're running.
Cable that comes with this either has a 120 volt receptacle, which are 20 amps, and then you have the, actually I think these are 15 amps, and then of course you have the 30 amp. We're going to run the 30 amp so that we can run hot water heater, electric fireplace at the same time, so we can run multiple appliances at the same time. So you'll hear this rev up as soon as I plug the travel trailer in, because it will immediately kick on the refrigerator and a few other things like the battery charger. So here we go. There you go. You hear this generator throttle up, and we're going to go ahead and dial this back down to eco mode on both units, and we'll be underway here and see how long these generators can run in parallel on a 26.5 foot travel trailer. Alrighty, welcome inside. First thing I want to point out that we're running our water pump and our electric hot water heater. This pulls about 11 amps, our electric hot water, and that's gonna cycle on and off based on need. We also usually have the TV running throughout the day. There's the electric fireplace. We ran that for about 2 hours this morning. Throughout the day we usually have the TV going. Our lights are all 12 volt, so it's not pulling from the generator, but our battery is being charged when the generator is running. As you can see back here, I have my laptop and an extra monitor. Yes, I do travel with an extra monitor when we're on the road. Our refrigerator pulls about 4 amps, and we are currently on AC. In the morning, we usually make coffee or either warm our coffee up in here. Again, it's only like a minute or 2 minutes between the both of us, and that's pulling about 12 amps. Our AC we had on about an hour ago because it was quite warm in here, and that's drawing about 14.5 amps. So just want to give you a look of the inside of our travel trailer so you can compare to what you have or what you may be considering. We might be way smaller than your 38 foot fifth wheel, or we might be bigger than your 16 foot pop-up camper, but at least you can get an idea of what we are working with in our travel trailer and compare how much of a draw you guys are going to be putting on your generator. One other thing I forgot to mention in the morning, we are both suckers for our heated seats, so we have heated seats in the recliners. It doesn't draw much, but we do run those in the morning. We have a laptop down here and our cell phones charging, so that is an ongoing thing throughout the day for us because we work from our travel trailer. So you're getting a little peek behind the scenes of the GeneratorPowerSource.com laboratory, which is right here. So anyways, that's a look on the inside. We will check back with you when we have a final run number of the Westinghouse in parallel.
We finally reached the end of the test. We actually ran out of gas on one unit before the other. So the iGen 2000 ran out of fuel before the iGen 2200, but we called at the end of the test because we weren't getting that power output. Both of these units individually will not power all the heavy equipment in our travel trailer, the AC, the electric fireplace, those types of things. So 12 hours exactly throughout the test. In the morning, we ran our electric fireplace for 2 hours. That's pulling about 12.5 to 13 amps. We actually kicked on the AC in the afternoon when it got warm for about an hour and a half. That's pulling upwards of 14 amps, and then all the other appliances like the refrigerators like 4.5 amps. For all the appliances, I've already run a test. I'll link to it in the description below so you can compare our usage to your usage. Maybe you only have a 13.5 BTU air conditioner. We have a 15,000 BTU air conditioner which draws about 14 amps. So it will give you an idea of how long you can run. Again, the Westinghouse iGen 2500 ran 6 hours, and the parallel kit here with the 2200 and the 2000 ran 6 hours. So roughly twice as long, not quite twice the power, but twice as long in terms of runtime. That is a look of real world runtime when you're running generators in parallel. This is generatorpowersource.com. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up. It's what helps us to keep going. We'll be back next time with more videos.